Hello, today we're going over one of the shops. A tour. Let's start from, I'm gonna keep his computer there. Got a knockoff Milwaukee charger. Got a cleaning kit. Got gloves. Challenger panel. Makita compressor. Milwaukee wrap charger. Steel wool. Paint samples. This is funny. Like he's got in the bucket. That was from when we set our Wagner heat gun on there. We didn't realize how hot it was. It just melted through the bucket. We got a tub of towels, 90 wipes, in rags in a box from Scott, stack on safe, color ladder, Craftsman bench grinder, Black & Decker grinder, professional, Milwaukee top off, knockoff Milwaukee battery, Milwaukee's high output 6-point battery, all of it, only less than half of our grinder wheels, staple gun corded, Wagner heat gun, Milwaukee Magnum drill, impact, then the hacksaw, then the standard hammer drill, M12 batteries, full shooters, sawzall, and this was a sawzall, but we took the case. It was on a job site. They threw the sawzall away. We took the cord and the case and the bolt. So we took 3 or 4 parts of it off the saw and just took those in the case. And that has sawzall. Super sawzall, belt sander, table saw, planer, router, multi-cut saw, and multi-tool, Dremel, brad nailer, crown stapler, oral sander, all these other ones, masonry bits, and drill keys, hole saws, speed bit tabs. Then I'm not gonna get power from Harbor Freight. Belt sander. And in this case, I did that for my grandfather because he doesn't know what a multimeter, what they mean. Fasteners, Fluke 77, Klein Tools circuit finder, Bosch laser, Craftsman tape measure, 3 staple guns, wire nuts, electrical tape, painter's tape, Milwaukee hole dozers, nuts, washers, screws, and lock lube. Fire safe rings, Torch box, Craftsman tools, wolf metal, got grinder wheels, Teflon tape, screws, adhesive. That's basically like the spare fasteners. And then on the back, we got Milwaukee Rocket Light 12 variant that can accept a cord. Then we got the Husky light. I sold one of those to my buddy for $100, and my grandfather took the money. But even though it was my idea, 100-foot cords, 25-foot cords, 50-foot cords, tri-taps, all different stuff. Is there any water in here? No. Is there any water in here? No. Alright, the dehumidifier, organizer, toilet seat bucket, furnace, more filters, table saw, So, lots of tools. Another safe. A deep freezer with a key. We lost the key, so we got drawers of all miscellaneous like bits, fasteners, wire nuts, all different stuff. Pencils, toothbrush, paintbrush, markers, paper, drill bit, stand, keys for safe, all of these things on the pegboard, hacksaw, and cooking saw, speed, and speed squares. We got combination squares. We got framing squares. We got torpedo levels. And well, utility and wrenches and multi exhaust, more grinder, WD-40, and I've been something about WD-40. I'm convincing my grandfather just for him to get a reaction out of it. Get the WD-40 smelling cologne. That is a real thing. I highly recommend you try it out. But you might feel like you want to shower after you first time put it on, but it really smells good. But there is most on that side of the workshop's done. We got light bulbs, the battery, and some computer. It's basically all we have in the shop. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a good day.